Now, what Nathan is saying is you can't have pressure without a container.
Now, in a way, and only in a very small way, he could be determined to be right, because without something for the particles to be striking, you're not going to get that change of momentum. But that doesn't mean that there has to be a dome. All that means is I just take the balloon away. Without the balloon, these air particles aren't going to be striking anything. Therefore, there is no pressure. Without the balloon, these air particles aren't going to be striking anything. Therefore, there is no pressure. Without the balloon, these air particles aren't going to be striking anything. Therefore, there is no pressure. Therefore, there is no pressure. Therefore, there is no pressure.
Hi, I'm Nathan Oakley, and this is yet another response to Conspiracy Catz. As he's made another video, gone back to a mistake I made 6 months ago about a maths equation and entirely ignored the 60 messages that he says he has read. He said I've copy and pasted them because he hasn't answered the question, that's why I've asked it 60 times. So him not watching my response video is irrelevant, as he has read the message 60 times. The question I have asked is very simple, and I'd like an answer. It's what he's accused me of attacking him over. I'm not attacking him, I'm asking him a question which he hasn't given an answer to. How do we have gas pressure without a container? His bullshit world of sphericity is placed in a vacuum and is an open system. And I'd like him to explain how he has gas pressure without a container, given that he specifically said, without a barrier, you don't have gas pressure.
Without the balloon, these air particles aren't going to be striking anything. Therefore, there is no pressure. Without the balloon, these air particles aren't going to be striking anything.
So, Conspiracy Catz, I don't mind leaving you another 60 messages with exactly the same question over and over again while you go back and attack my mistake regarding mathematics from 6 months ago. However, you haven't answered the question you've been asked 60 times. How do you have gas pressure without a container? It's like when John asked you about the solar and you said you didn't have an answer and then just moved on and ignored it. Well, I'm not going to let you ignore this, mate. Yeah? You've been asked a question, according to you, 60 times, so give me an answer. How do you have gas pressure in your bullshit world of sphericity without a container? That question's been asked numerous times. I expect an answer. If I don't get one, I'll keep asking and pointing out that you're a retard. You can't answer, so you've just decided to attack a different point. What we call in the debating circle a straw man. So you can keep your straw man. I'll keep asking the same question that I asked you very recently in 60 comments over and over again, pointing out to your audience that you claim without a barrier you can't have gas pressure. That's what you've asserted. So you're backing my point. You're claiming to your audience that without the barrier you can't have gas pressure. Well, you live in a world in a vacuum. So explain that, dickhead.
You don't. All that means is I just take the balloon away. Without the balloon, these air particles aren't going to be striking anything. Therefore, there is no pressure.